And Titan was the highlight for Friday, so let's focus in on that. They clocked a muted profit growth on one-time compensation, and even their provision for IL&FS exposure was a one-off expense this time around. The jewellery business has picked up after a soft Q1, but it was the margins that did disappoint a fair bit.
Yeah, how the festival sales you said for jewellery is up 29% like to like. What about watches?
Total.
Watches, Rakesh, the festival which is Dussehra to Diwali is about pretty close to 8%. So it is lower than the running rate, so to say, for first half and even for the entire Q2. The main reason for that is that in this month, leading up to Diwali, last year we had for 3 or 4 days we had a flash 30% off. So if you take that away, then it's a good 12% growth over last year.
And as I understand your margin, you said you have 18% margin in the first half. For the full year, you think it should be in 15%. So in the second half, you think it will be 12%.
That's what it amounts to.
Yeah, I don't know. Bhaskar, what's your opinion here on the watch margins?
Yeah, this is something which we explain every time, and just wait for the 2 quarters to go by. You will see it for yourself.
Oh, I thought you should be very anxious of higher margins, yeah? Not anxious for lower margins.
Just to give, I won't give you the actual number. The advertising spend of last quarter, the amount that we spent in last quarter, we spent in the month of October. So that will pan out. When you look at Q3, you will see how, when I spoke about 2 big collections which have got delayed, plus we have a lot of smart products lined up. So October is going to be seeing a lot of spends in advertising, which is why the margin would get affected.
But what is your total quantum of ad spend in last quarter? Yeah?
We don't share that, Rakesh.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's hope you work for a higher margin. Anyway, and what do you... what is the other question? In this eyewear business, when do we expect to make some money here?
We should start making money next year, Rakesh. We already make money, but this year we've taken a call to invest higher amounts in advertising to really break this price value equation and bring in more customers on our journey to target 10 million watches, 10 million pieces of customers by 2023.
And that was Rakesh Jhunjhunwala quizzing the Titan management. We're moving on to some brokerage reports that's come out on Titan this morning. Macquarie, most of them actually having outperformed stance on the company. Macquarie has an outperformance stance with a target of 1,186. JP Morgan also an overweight stance with a target of 1,050 on the stock. Jefferies is on a hold with 920 as their target price. BNP Paribas has a buy call, MK with an add. Morgan Stanley overweight with a target of 1,250. HSBC meanwhile is saying that the solid growth momentum and they have a strong outlook on Titan. Q2 reflects strong market share gain momentum for the company also, and the H2 outlook for jewellery remains solid. So those are the brokerages that have come out on Titan this morning.